They say, word is wind, blowing to and fro without a second thought. They say it is a fool who believes the words of a promise. They say, words are nothing but pointless, weightless constructs of communication. I say, ignorance is bliss, for when the word winds reach category 5, they be broken power lines of self-esteem, landsliding emotions and floods of depression. Oh, how easily we underestimate the hurricane winds. And when the fools of the faith line up for his promises, how beautiful are the feet of them that bring good news that his promises come to pass. The real fools are the ones who think this is our happenstance. The truth is, words are only pointless when you fail to sharpen your arrow. They are only weightless when you refuse to use a scale. The truth is, words are nothing but air, necessary for your very survival. You see, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He spoke, and things happened. He said, let there be, and there was. He said, I am that I am that. Famous declaration. He said, greater love hath no man than this. And there was that famous declaration. It is finished. They said words have no power, but words entice Eve, whose words entice Adam and led man to be deceived, and now man, because of words, no longer believe. But the word has an answer. Yes, it tells of a great hope of desperately depraved man with no room to cope. It tells of a righteous king willing to rescue us and make us his king. Join ears to his crowd, being prepared to reign with him. You see, the word is alive. For in 1 week we came to understand how it is finished could be infinitely multiplied. Yes, the word has opened our eyes, and love was the language it spoke. So intoxicating that it evoked a compulsion to change our mother tongue, to turn our lukewarm stroll into a hot and sweaty run, a marathon of the righteous one. No bombs can hinder or no aspersions can cast asunder. So yes, we press to the mark so that we can hear at the end, well done, my son, good run. You see, those words bring to me joy unspeakable. Something similar, but not even remotely close to a mother holding a newborn baby for the very first time, or the sight of the rainbow after Noah's long journey, or a family being reunited after 15 long years of civil war. You see, love doesn't hurt. Only languages do. Only love speaks truth when we don't know how to. It was love that said, let my people go. It was love that made the son cry to the father, Eli, Lamb of God. It was love that forced Saul into a change of name after seeing Stephen bestowed for the very same office freely. They say sticks and stones may break my bones, and words will never hurt me, but my words can kill. And death has a sting, so I'll use my words to honor him. I'll fan the flame that speaks life, so that his words shall be mine, and the phrase, mere words shall no longer be right. So I'll speak to a generation. I'll tell them that his words are divine, designed for your benefit and not for your demise. So whether it's on top of a mountain or in front of a mic, my tongue is the pen of a young writer. His word is the light. Thank you. Never check to see if the Father requested me. Never check to see if the Father requested you. Never check to see if the Father requested me and you. You never check to see if the Father requested me, so no. I'm writing this letter from hell. Words outpouring from hatred's well known, overflowing inside me because I find myself here, staring at you because you never once check to see if the Father requested me, so. I'm hurrying to write this note because I'm worrying the flames will engulf the scroll on which my blood-stained ink bleeds. Every morning my skin breaks to release the ink. Captain Nine Tails to the flesh from my back as spears pierce my side of smoke. So thick you can cut it with a knife, coats my lungs with poison, forming a volcano of evil desires which erupts. Every time I move my tongue, it is no wonder that as the poison courses through my veins, my spirit screams for the antidote that you hold in your hand, but you conceal it, revealing the reason for my hatred. See, you never once check to see if the Father requested me. We were friends. At least that's what you led me to think. What kind of friend sits beside me every single day, knowing my heart longs for change and does nothing? What kind of friend fills away like the pipe and knowing I'm going ever so closer to hell? It's the kind of friend who's busy healing the well while I sit with her. The kind who upon seeing my rags shun me instead of saying, come, hither. Once you were okay, you were content knowing I was going to burn. Oh no, I wish the tables would turn and you would see just how important it was to check if the Father requested me. You spent hours praying for the unknown loss and the hurt. But when it came to me, you never uttered a word. I guess I'm just not as important to you. God probably put me in your life for entertainment value. Well, I hope you're entertained because the ink is leaking again. Atonement for my sins, they say, is grim, is reaping again. The stench of death increases as I walk this murky path. The things I've learned at these last 5 steps increases my wrath. 1, atonement was already done. 2, somebody should have told me that person was you. 3, your Christian friends and family neglected to tell me that. 4, the king who was atoning for my sins was knocking at my door. It wasn't for you. I would still be alive. You never once checked to see if the Father requested me. Even when He told you to share the Bible, to relate the good news, you refused to be used. You committed spiritual abuse. You figured the gospel? No man, someone else will make me hear it. It's not my responsibility to share what I know after all. It's not as if I was punishing the door. You know, you sat in your pews and saw the hands of a king and figured that by doing so you would honor him. But that king, no, he walked the streets. He met with people no one else wanted to meet. One touch from him and people were changed. But we sit in our pews still spiritually praying. You see, it's the mantra of Christianity. More him, less me. But in pursuing him, you've forgotten him and pursued his sins. You've missed the mark and now you're pursuing sins. So you become a Pharisee and overly praise me because you never once checked to see if the Father requested me. I pray that it never comes when you take a light from under a bushel, because when it's over, you won't be hearing Christ say, well done. Instead, you'll be seeing me standing at the gates of hell saying, welcome to the land of the subject to the sin. All because you refuse to share the gospel. Welcome to the streams of 1 million tortured souls. For that sound must sound better to you than the Father's angelic hosts. Welcome to the land where the myth of not sharing Christ's truth being okay is dispelled. Welcome, friends.